Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix please verify you are a human press and hold CAPTCHA error in 2026. Now, if the verification keeps looping, won't complete or never loads properly, this guide is going to help you fix it fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to refresh the page and try the CAPTCHA again slowly. Just make sure that you are pressing and holding exactly as instructed and you are not tapping quickly. Sometimes the verification fails just because the timing is off. Now, if it keeps looping, the most common cause is your browser issue. For that, you just have to open the page in a different browser, like if you are opening the website in Chrome web browser, you can try opening it in the Edge web browser or Safari and see if the problem is fixing there or not. If you are using any types of VPNs or any types of ad blockers, you just have to basically either remove them or you need to turn them off completely, because captcha systems often block the traffics that look hidden or masked. So once these are disabled, simply refresh the page and try again. If it still doesn't work, you can clear the browser cache and the cookie file. The old data can also interfere with captcha loading. After clearing, simply restart the browser and try again. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to easily fix the press and hold to verify you are a human CAPTCHA error in 2026. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.